If you see this question on your SAT, that means you're doing really well. It's a hard Model 2 geometry question. We're going to solve it together, and I'm going to show you a trick. The reason why it's hard because it contains a lot of concept. Are you ready? Let's get to it. So first, we got to read the question and analyze it. We have a circle with center 0. M and N lay on the circle, and there's a line segment QN, and QN touches the circle at M and N. They've given you a measure of 120 degrees between Q and M and N, and they give you QM at 10. What is the area of the region? Look at it, inside the quadrilateral and outside the circle. So it's two areas. First, analyze the question, break it down as you read it. So we have a circle with the center. I draw the circle here like that with the center here. Oh, it said there's a point M and N on the circle. So I'll label them M and N. Whenever they give you a point, always try to make them a little bit away from the center to become like a radius. So N, M, and N here. And they said there's another point making a line segment. So you expect it to be here, which is Q. And so we draw a straight line as much as we can from here to here to make a tangent. So that's the situation. Now, connect your radius. From here to here will be your radius. And you see this is congruent to that. And so this is our central angle. We don't know. They said the measure between Q and what? M and N. So MQN is what? 120 degrees. So from here to here is 120 degrees. And it said the QM from here to here is what? 10. And you know, if this is 10, this measure, the distance from here, Q to M, is the same as the distance between Q and N. And therefore, this is also 10. They want us to find what? The region between inside the quadrilateral. So this is inside the quadrilateral, but outside the circle. So this is outside the circle, is inside the quadrilateral. Here is not inside the quadrilateral. So Q, M, O, and Q is the quadrilateral. So we got to calculate this region. So we need to figure out that region. So what color are we going to give it? We're going to color here. This is the area of that shaded region they want us to calculate. So that's the area we're going to focus on all over here. Now, think about it. This is radius, but we don't know. We can figure it out. If I draw a line from here to here, right? Before that. Now, what do you think? Let me draw the picture for you. We have something like that. We know this angle, this is 90 degrees. The tangent form 90 degrees angle. That means we can find the central angle. The central angle, the opposite angle add up to 180. Therefore, 120 plus x, which is the central angle, should be equal to 180. Therefore, x is what? 60. So here is actually angle 60 degrees. Now, divide it. So we're going to divide this into 2. If I divide, here will be 30, here will be 30, and this side, both of them will be 60 because the angle opposite is 120. So this is 60, 60, this is 30, and 30. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to divide this into 2. I draw a line from here to here. Now I have this 30, 30, and I have here 60, 60. So you basically have a 60-30 triangle, right? And we know that x is 60, so we divide it into 30. If that's the case, we know this side is 10. So if this is 10, and I have 60, 30 angle or triangle, here has to be 10, what? Square root of 3. That's all. And this has to be 2x. right? So here, the radius, actually, our radius is 10 square root of 3 because that side is 10. You see how we unravel everything together. After that, we're done. Now we just have to do the calculation. Look at it. How many triangle we have? We have triangle 1 and 2, right? This is 90 degrees hypotenuse, right? And this is the base, and this is the height. This height become the altitude. Therefore, the area of one triangle, right? That's it will be half base times height. So the base is 10 square root of 3. The height is 10. You see, that's the way the picture is coming. But remember, we have two triangles. Therefore, I'm going to multiply by 2. So the whole quadrilateral, which is what? Q, M, O, N, the actual area, the whole thing is equal to half 10 square root of 3. That's one base of a triangle times 10, that's the height, all multiplied by 2 because there's 2 of them. For this cancel, and this will be what? 100 square root of 3. So 100 square root of 3 is your area of the two quadrilateral. That's how you see how everything is unraveled. You are not done yet. This is a circle, and so we got to find the area of this sector. So the sector, as you know, is calculated by the central angle formed by that sector, which is 60 degrees times 360 or pi r squared. But we know our radius is what? 10 square root of 3. Then substitute. So this will become, let me put it here, 60. This will be 1 over 6 times pi square root of 10 square root of 3 square. This is the same thing. 1 over 6 pi, this is 100 times square root of 3. This cancel here will be 2, and this cancel will be 50. Therefore, the area is actually 50 pi. That's the area of the sector. Now, remember, our focus is here. That's where we focus on, that region. And then this region is what we focus on. So we got to like subtract the area of the sector from the quadrilateral because the quadrilateral is the biggest one. Therefore, we have what? 100 square root of 3 minus 50 pi. This is our answer right here. Do you see anything like that? That's answer B. Is it difficult? I don't think so. Is it involving? Yes. Would it take you a minute? Maybe. But if you know the concept, you can picture yourself, oh, this is 30-60 triangle, and that is what the way the SAT test mostly complicated geometry question. They had put things together, but basically we have to deal with the circle, know what to deal with the circle, that when their tangent make an angle is 90 degrees, and in 90 degrees, we can use it to calculate anything we want. And that the tangent, the length of them are the same, they're congruent to each other. So you're applying so many concepts to be able to answer this question. Hard model 2 geometry question for the SAT. If this video helped you, subscribe for more content and give us a thumbs up so that we can give you concept how to ace your SAT tips. Subscribe for more. Take care of yourself and bye.